Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather situations, weather radio warning alerts are automatically activated to warn of these pending hazards. Special receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and National Weather Service. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This benefit of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. And the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability will normally be more noticeable at greater distances when transmitted. Even though you are using a quality receiver in perfect work, this is no weather radio QC 47 originating from the National Weather Service forecast offered in Cleveland counties. We supply the latest available information for Northwest Ohio over station KC 47 to carry on a frequency of 162.5. During potentially dangerous weather situations, especially over showers can be automatically activated by the signals and under the attendant hazard. Northwest Ohio signal receivers performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, those has to be postponed to the next available day. Reception of this broadcast, especially at 1 alarm per hour, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: around 5 miles per hour, Logan, Mercer, Friday, Putnam, Shelby, Pinewood, and Wyandotte. Risk around 5 miles per hour by the radio station WXJ, mostly 93 Cliversville, Ohio, in the lower 50s. At 11 a.m., weather reports for selected cities.
You have just heard a test of the National Weather Service radio warning alarm feature. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. Fort Worth,
Wrong station.
The warning alarm will also be used for civil emergency messages. A test of the warning alarm feature of the National Weather Service radio is conducted at 12 noon and 7 p.m. each Wednesday, unless there is a significant risk of severe weather in the area. Forecast office. Here is the forecast for which heard a test of the National Weather Service radio warning alarm feature. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability normally more noticeable at a greater distance from the transmitter will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. During severe weather, the warning alarm will be activated for severe thunderstorm and tornado warnings, and for severe thunderstorm, tornado, and flash flood warnings. The warning alarm will also for civil emergency messages. A test of the warning alarm feature of the National Weather Service radio is conducted at 12 noon and 7 p.m. each Wednesday, unless there is a significant risk of severe weather in the area.